And we'll begin with some breaking news coming in at this moment. The Reserve Bank of India has cut the repo rate by 25 basis points to 7.5%, keeping the CRR unchanged at 4%. What does this mean for you? Loans are likely to get cheaper after the RBI's second rate cut this year. That's the latest story that we are getting you. For you, the viewer, as here at Headlines Today, you matter. The biggest point of concern really of what the RBI has done is that loans are likely to get cheaper. Let's quickly go across to Manoj Sharma. Manoj, can you explain how do loans get cheaper?
Our directory key rates that are decided by RBI, that includes repo rate, CRR, and these rates, whenever they are tinkered with, they actually increase the flow of liquidity in the market, the flow of money in the market. So more money is available with banks and at a cheaper rate. Now with a reduction of 25 basis points in the repo rate, and this money could be out to people at a cheaper rate, which is in fact the base rate for the loan goes down because the banks are getting loans at a cheaper rate from RBI. So in this way, if they decide to pass on this benefit to the customer,
that's the main point.
They should be offering a lower rate. If possible, the entire 25 basis points benefit should be given to people, should be transferred to people by the bank.
Okay, Manoj, do stay on with us. We have Business Today's Shweta Punj also on the phone line. Morning, Shweta. How do you look at this particular move? Did you see it coming? And also, what has usually been the trend? Do banks pass on this benefit to the customers?
Thanks, Sanket. I, in fact, agree with Mr. Sharma there that, we'll have to see if the banks do pass on the rate cut, because we did not see that. We've not seen that happen so far. Last year, we saw the Reserve Bank cut interest rates, and none of that benefit was really passed on to the consumers, to the end consumers. Yes, this is pretty much on expected lines, because there were strong signals coming from the finance minister that now the ball is in the court of the RBI governor to reduce interest rates and spur demand. The main criteria that the RBI governor had set was that, inflation needs to come under control before such a decision is taken, because monetary policy is clearly decided on the basis of how inflation trends. And now finally we do see inflation coming under control. So I would think that this is not going to be the first of this is probably the first of the, rate cuts that we will see probably through the year. If all goes well, that is.
Absolutely. That's a big if, Shweta, over there. Thanks very much for Shweta Punj as well as Manoj Sharma joining us with this latest breaking news.